Friday, happy hour at home. Look at guys, I'm gonna show you how to make prosecco. Gonna be champagne and orange juice. So easy, you know, when you go to a restaurant, you know, I order them, they charge me about $10 or $12, too expensive. I better to just buy everything and do at home, you know. So let's go start it. Happy Friday. Alright, this is a champagne right here. Prosecco. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the champagne down here. Oh, I love the sparkle like that. I love the sparkle. I'm gonna go ahead half first. See how it tastes? And let's go ahead put the orange juice down here. You know, happy hour at home. Okay, orange juice about 1/4, champagne about half. Let me taste. Okay, let me taste. It's good, but I need more champagne and it's sparkle. Go ahead, more champagne. Oh, this is good, guys. This is real good. You know, so easy to make and healthy because orange juice, champagne, just about sparkle. It's not a whole lot of alcohol, but it do the job for tonight. It's gonna be taste good. Let me taste. Oh yes, it's so good. Wow. Okay, that's how you're gonna do his. You got champagne, the 3/4, 1/4 of orange. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Friday. Drink for your life. Drink for your happy. Oh wow, that's good. Oh, yep. Awesome. Oh yes, so easy guys. Okay, orange juice, get a good quality just like this. It don't cost not too much money. And champagne, you get this brand. Remember, just like that. And all you need to do just 2 glasses of wine or 2 glasses of champagne, but I don't have champagne glass, so that's why I use this one. All right, so you know, see that? So good. You know, why not? You know, Friday, you know, you stay home, drink at your home, and nobody say anything at your home, and you can get drunk. But this is not gonna get you drunk. This is just make you feel like sparkle. I love that. Okay, love it. Cheers. Oh, it's so good, guys. So good. You can drink all night, no problem. You're not gonna get drunk. Very good. It's good brand, this kind. Very good. Take a good look, guys. This is good champagne. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, drink, have a good time, and see you guys later when the next video come up. Okay, see you later. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.